Military Guna. Now, for today's program, I know diversity, diversify the thing, make the thing a bit more flexible. But today, Military Guna and wife cooking in the kitchen. Now we're going to teach you how to cook brown stew chicken with white rice. Easy, simple Jamaican dish, and I can tell everybody can enjoy this one. Now, please tune in, like, share, subscribe, and comment, because I want things to talk about. Listening, I move to the kitchen right now. Bossy. Now, at this moment, the wife is preparing the meat. You know, say meat have to clean and nice for cook. Anyways, she do the clean and meat and me do the cooking, because I'm a better person for the cooking. I can ask her about that. Me teach her how to cook. Many years she did on, and many years now she did on earth and still know it art yet, eh? Miss Laverne? Anyways, now, tap it here, but move to this side, yeah? See that? Me clean and nice, right? Now what do we do now? What are the seasoning? Bit of salt, a bit of all-purpose chicken seasoning, just to make it thing a bit nice and spicy. But you don't know, say Jamaicans never cook without pepper. Never. See that? Alright, bossy. So what's after the natural seasoning as well, them say. But anyways, I already wash, salt out and prepare. Now I just cut it and put it in the pan of meat. Now I look good, because I finger them very fast. And how me cut up my natural season, and anybody can do it. Now, for example, look on the onion. Take a good look on the onion now. Cut it in half. Right? Knife very, very sharp, Now you rest it flat. Get them nice and dicey. Now moving on to the scallion. Scallion. Alright. My style, normally cut the base of scallion. Get it a bit more stringy up at the top. When I cut it up, you know what I mean? As a DJ called it, that's a yardman style. Yardman thing. You don't know when he did that cook, but that's what him say. Alright, so I apply the pepper now. If you realize that your wife run out of the kitchen left me, And so when you heat up my kitchen now, you have to take away yourself. Once you can't manage to eat, that's how you go still. Just won't come back still. But anyways, every now and then you hear some noise in the background, A family yard, so you don't know, say, barrage or picnic and sitting about the place. But that's not nothing still. So you hear them. And then face it too. Yes, man. This amount of pepper we use, man, because food have taste. Food have nice. Anyways, see the potato, a little bit from now. Apply them. But you have to ensure that you fry with the chicken as well. So that's when the chicken are cooked down, it's soft and moist when you can cook good. Alright, so now we're gonna apply everything to the chicken. Your hand have to clean too. So every move you move, you're supposed to wash your hand. Your hand's supposed to clean. Here we go on. See, in this house, we practice healthy diet. So when I use salt, just straight all-purpose alone. We don't use salt. Upon the application, I apply it right around, everything upon it. See, my wife and I background talk about generous amount. It tells us she know about cooking, When you apply generous amount, you have to get the spice. You have to get the spice out of it. That's how you go. You hear nice in the background, that's how you go, man. That's a family yard now, so ensure your hand is clean. So you want to mix up everything now. So that everything gets inside the meat, Yardman style. Alright. Put on it. Alright, at this moment, wife done a preheat the frying pan for the meat, preparing meat. You can see her hand there. I don't know why she know in that video. But I say go. Anyways, she not pretty like me. But now I apply brown into it. You know, you don't know it's a moderate amount. You can't apply too much because you don't want it to be too black, you know. So you have to be moderate with it. Now normally, for a professional cook show, them have the measuring stick or them cup what they use. But guess what? It's a yardman style. Yardman style. So we use the knowledge, experience of cooking for how much years. And then we, yeah man, you see? Make everything soak in, you know, and even out. Can't too black neither. Don't know say brown have a little sugary in it already, so you know. Alright. So at this moment, you ready for your pot. So you know why your pot for do? Pot if you're ready for it. So you go. So like your pot ready. So I don't know say while the work we clean, right? I say why for that? You know why I like man catch up man. Should have pretty enough. Should have pretty enough so that's a shop you hide.
I style my thing. Alright.
Look on the TikTok video, she not pretty. I may carry off a little bit, you know. I may carry off a little bit and person on the video, the camera woman, look sister-in-law, she not pretty neither. But she had do a good job so far. But as I know she want to kill me. Anyways, back to the food. The pot soon ready. Just wait on him a little bit for you eat, touch the pot the right way. Then now it's alright. Put the meat in it. I don't know, sir. Alright. So you go, right? So, you know at this moment I'm ready. Wash hand again. Constantly wash your hand once you're cooking. Get your spoon. Already. Back off camera woman, because I'm not hurt you, dangerous time now, no, serious time this now. Alright. As me say, a family yard, you hear a barrage of knives. I say you go. Make it eat up the right way. Then you know, you make it simmer a little bit. Pot cover. When you make it simmer a little bit, you can come storm every 5 minutes in between your storm and ensure that every part I make get a good flavor at the aisle. Where you know say you get a good flavor enough cooking before you start cook down everything. So you go still, you know? So the wife cut up here a little piece. She give her input, you know. Tell us she don't know for cooking, look how she hold the knife. A left hand. Notice people with left hand. People with left hand, hey, you see people with left hand? Can't tell you. I never want to say it because I know, you know, not beating, you know, that's how you go. But anyways, she put a little something, she put a little things them together. But anyways, in the meantime, I wash the rice. You know, so rice, have to wash all the little debris and them something have to come out of the rice and get to the extra starch. Extra starch. You know, people don't know that. But anyways, we soon do that. Just watch wife you do her thing. Alright, as me say, a family yard, so always your nice background. You over there, so? Alright.
So whenever make extra nice.
And they will make extra nice because they want in a video. And they're not cute enough in a video. So you go. My time again, chicken ready for cook them and know, so I don't know, say ship almost land. Ship land. Alright, so I'll put the thing in the pot now. Watch out now. Smell the fragrance, sir. I know you can smell it through your phone. You smell that? Jesus, peace, man. Who bad, sir? Yardman style. Yardman thing. You are going now, see there? You add all the nicest knife. Let's not pay background in the mind, yeah? Bad mind that. Bad man, yard man, you know? Apply some water in it. I cook long time. Alright? See time turn up, yeah? Time ready to cook down here now. Well, authentic Jamaican style, ensures you put the water in a same pot or pan where you store up the chicken now. You get all that flavor out and maximize your resources. Because you don't know so we're not rich enough. But we are doing a thing. See that? Now corona time, you know, say, I be a broke pocket people there, but for some reason, me and the fridge are best friend. I don't know why. Me, fridge and stove are best friend. And I can tell all the people from work who watch this. I can't do BFST. I can't do no running. Anyways, I couldn't do it before because I have an hamstring problem. You know? But anyways, even so, I couldn't do it. I need 10 pounds again in a little time period. But back on the pattern now. See that? All that color and the flavor going on and now. Them your time are nice. And them your time. And you're so nice. And you're so nice. Hey, I can't sing, you know what I say. Them your time at the right time. Them your time at the right time. You know say me love my food already. Me love my food. Hey, if you don't think me love food, you see person have video this. See person have video. She never can hold it straight. I laugh. See person have video this. Can tell her every night, every day, I want in the fridge. It's like a competition who can go in the fridge the most, but me can't tell her. She can't win me. She can't win me. No dear. Anyways, back to the pot again. See there? So no, it is no. I'm making simmer down. Simmer down. How the song go again? Simmer down. Simmer down. Cool the temper. Give me a man. I say song. Anyone me sing I say song. Right? Who say that? No. You don't know so if you constantly I check your pot. Ensure say thing. I go and go. Alright now you know say pot the right level. You know say ship start sail you know. Captain I go with that thing. Whole of a hungry face round there so I want to feed but you know. I pay them no mind. One of them I get vexed from here. Your rice you know. So I don't know say initially many people are doing I don't know if a reasons in our people just get stupid and not realize that the right have to pick. You must pick your rice. You don't know anything already. Thanks to wifey, she always enforce that. So now, we always find some little small things, some little black something. Take them and put them one side. Clean up your rice, ensure that you always pick your rice. Go on. You don't do that, then you find it.
Put your back in it. Okay, so I've already washed the rice and seasoned the rice, and I have my butter and stuff in it. So I'm gonna set it on now and then cover the pot.
Alright, so now. Alright, so you can see butter on the top. Make him go and simmer a little bit in the far from landing, but make him go on them thing. Right? Now we're gonna put the rice to simmer. So you gauge him right way. You gauge him right way. Gauge him almost like you turn off his stove. Just before you turn off his stove. Right there, so you know what I mean? I have to feel the pressure to you know right there. Just before you turn off his stove. Let me show you something. At this head there. You leave him now for steam. I'm going to take a look on the chicken. Watch out now, watch out. See that? See that? Already I'm ready, you know. Already I'm ready, you know. And I can tell us, you know, in the next 5 minutes or less, you know, a gravy, you know, and him good, you know. Already I'm ready, you know. Watch it. It make us a slide off a bone. Season to the bone. Know what I mean? Yardman style, military goon, you know what I mean? The wife I deal with her thing. Sort out the rice. But guess what now? Look at my hand. See the hand, yeah? Magical hand because it mean done. Half. Both. See. Want have a look? Who want have a look in the meat pot? Alright. So she have flatten off rice, man. It up her rice, you know. And make him simmer. Guess what now? The boat is only 2 2 kilometers out of the docking point. So done, there you go. Captain is here. The captain is here. Look at that. You can smell it. Gee. Look at that again, okay? You know, rap artists and sing. Play in the background tonight. Even I say, I walk us about COVID-19. Actually, quarantine time, everybody get upset. Everybody get. You see, when people hungry, I mean, because you are going.
People, what is the first sign of COVID? The sore throat.
Right.
Comment down below and tell me if a sore throat or what you say.
Yeah, don't know.
What you say?
Well, I'm going to tell this. What me done, man? Me I teach them a thing. Me tell them, say, here I go on. When the first sign of COVID, we attack people, and that is the time when they realize, actually, high fever. Just comment below and tell me. High fever, one of the first signs. Sore throat come way down. Even cough come before sore throat. That I want to hear anyways, this is not about COVID-19. Back to the pot, you know. Here I go on now. You see this now? Look on that. Rice fluffy and nice. Rice fluffy and nice. You see this? Food done already and now rice fluffy and nice. I guess I know. It means the ship land. Captain sail the ship. Anyways, we probably put up some pictures. And some picture how the food look pretty and nice. You don't know, man. But comment below about the fever and the sore throat, anything I say. But please like, subscribe, and share the content. Glad for your company on the game. Because them people are about that video, but I say go still. Enjoy. Camera person, where you gonna eat, right? Don't want to eat.